In the year 1930, the Mars family introduced a candy bar that would soon become a household name, the Snickers bar. At a time when America was facing the Great Depression, people were looking for small comforts, and this new chocolate treat quickly captured their hearts and taste buds. The Mars family decided to name their creation after one of their favorite horses, a beloved animal called Snickers. This personal touch gave the bar a unique story and a memorable name that would stick for generations. What set the Snickers bar apart was its irresistible combination of flavors and textures. It brought together rich milk chocolate, gooey caramel, fluffy nougat, and crunchy roasted peanuts, all in one satisfying bite. This blend was unlike anything else on the market at the time. Each bite was a delightful experience, sweet, chewy, and crunchy all at once. The layers worked together to create a taste sensation that people couldn't get enough of. Thanks to its perfect mix of ingredients, Snickers quickly became a favorite snack not just in America, but all around the world. It found its way onto store shelves everywhere, becoming a symbol of comfort and indulgence. Over the decades, Snickers has gained fans of all ages, from children trading them at school to adults enjoying them during a busy day. The bar's appeal spans generations. Its hearty ingredients and satisfying taste make it more than just a candy bar. Some people even use it as a quick meal replacement when they're on the go or need a boost of energy. Whether you're at the movies with friends, cheering at a sports game, or just looking for a pick-me-up during a long afternoon, Snickers is always there to satisfy your cravings and lift your spirits. Through changing times and trends, Snickers has remained a classic treat that never really goes out of style. Its familiar taste brings back memories for many, making it a nostalgic favorite. People love Snickers because it's simple, delicious, and filling. The combination of peanuts and caramel wrapped in chocolate is both comforting and exciting, making every bite feel special. Not only does it satisfy your sweet tooth, but it also gives you a burst of energy, making it the perfect snack for busy days or when you need a quick boost. Snickers' famous advertisements say, "You're not you when you're hungry," and for good reason. The bar has become known as the go-to snack for turning a bad mood into a good one. Many people agree. A Snickers bar can fix almost anything, from a grumpy afternoon to a case of the munchies. It's a treat that brings people together and puts a smile on their faces. Today, Snickers is made in state-of-the-art factories, using both traditional recipes and modern technology to ensure every bar is just right. The process is a fascinating blend of history and innovation. Every Snickers bar starts with 4 main parts: nougat, caramel, peanuts, and chocolate, each crafted with care and precision. Let's take a closer look at how this iconic candy bar is made from start to finish. The Snickers bar is like a tiny sandwich of treats, packed with layers that each bring something special to the table. When you bite into a Snickers, you're not just tasting chocolate, you're experiencing a carefully crafted combination of flavors and textures that have made this candy bar a favorite for generations. It has 4 main parts, starting with a base of nougat, then a thick layer of caramel, a generous topping of roasted peanuts, and finally, a smooth coating of creamy milk chocolate. Each layer is essential, and together, they create the classic Snickers taste. Each part is made separately before they come together as one. In the factory, teams of workers and machines carefully prepare each ingredient, making sure every batch is just right before assembly. Nougat is soft and chewy, made from whipped egg whites, sugar, and sometimes a bit of cocoa. It gives the bar its shape and makes every bite light and airy, acting as the perfect foundation for the other layers. Caramel is stretchy and sweet, made by slowly heating sugar until it turns golden brown. It's poured over the nougat, holding the peanuts in place and adding a rich buttery flavor along with its signature golden color. Roasted peanuts bring crunch and a salty bite that balances the sweetness. They're carefully selected and roasted to perfection, giving Snickers its unmistakable nutty flavor and satisfying crunch. Finally, milk chocolate covers the outside, making the bar smooth and rich. This chocolate coating seals in all the flavors and gives Snickers its glossy, irresistible finish. These 4 parts make Snickers special. Each layer is carefully measured and assembled, ensuring that every bar delivers the same delicious experience. The taste is sweet, salty, and nutty all at once. When you take a bite, you get a burst of flavors that blend together perfectly, making it hard to stop at just one piece. The texture is both chewy and crunchy, a perfect match for your mouth. The nougat and caramel stretch as you bite, while the peanuts and chocolate snap, creating a satisfying mix in every bite. It's not just candy, it's a little science experiment in every bite. The way the ingredients interact, how the caramel holds the peanuts, how the chocolate melts just right, shows the careful planning behind every bar. Before the candy bar comes together, each ingredient needs special care. Quality control teams check the peanuts for freshness, the caramel for consistency, and the chocolate for smoothness, making sure only the best go into your Snickers. Let's look at how chocolate, peanuts, nougat, and caramel are made and prepared in the factory. From roasting the peanuts to mixing the nougat and melting the chocolate, every step is designed to create the perfect Snickers bar you know and love. Milk chocolate is the wrapper's star. It's the first thing you see, the first thing you taste, and it sets the stage for the entire candy bar experience. That creamy, sweet layer is what makes each bite so irresistible. But before it becomes the smooth chocolate we all love, it starts with humble cocoa beans. These beans are carefully selected, then roasted to bring out their deep, rich flavors. After roasting, the beans are cracked open and ground into a thick, fragrant paste called chocolate liquor. In the factory, massive machines called conchis take over. They mix the ground cocoa with milk powder, sugar, and cocoa butter. This process can last for hours, ensuring every ingredient is perfectly blended for a creamy, balanced taste. The mixing happens at a precise temperature, around 45 degrees Celsius or 113 degrees Fahrenheit. This careful control keeps the chocolate smooth, shiny, and free from any graininess. But the journey doesn't stop there. The chocolate is refined even further, passing through a series of machines that break down any remaining particles. Powerful rollers press the chocolate again and again, smoothing it out until it's silky and completely free of lumps. This step is crucial for that melt-in-your-mouth sensation. The chocolate must reach just the right thickness, not too thick, not too thin, so it melts perfectly in your mouth but not in your hand. Quality control experts check every batch to make sure it's just right. Next comes tempering, a delicate process where special machines heat and cool the chocolate to the perfect temperature, usually around 31 degrees Celsius or 88 degrees Fahrenheit. This step is essential for creating that signature glossy finish and satisfying snap. Tempering is what gives chocolate its beautiful shine and prevents it from becoming dull or crumbly. It's a step that separates ordinary chocolate from truly great chocolate. Once tempered, the chocolate is finally ready to coat the bars. It flows smoothly over each bar, enveloping it in a luscious, even layer. To keep the chocolate at the perfect consistency, it's stored warm and liquid in giant stainless steel tanks, always ready for the next batch of bars. A network of pipes and pumps moves the liquid chocolate from the tanks to the coating machines, ensuring a constant, steady flow. This system keeps the chocolate moving smoothly, wrapping each bar in a delicious, even blanket of sweetness. It's like a warm hug for every bar. Good chocolate isn't just about taste, it's about texture, shine, and that unmistakable snap. The look and feel are just as important as the flavor. Snickers chocolate coating locks in freshness, seals in the flavors, and gives each bar a satisfying snap when you bite into it. It's the final touch that makes every Snickers bar a perfect blend of smooth, sweet perfection. The peanuts in Snickers are not just any peanuts. Factories choose the best ones, big, whole, and fresh. First, workers sort the peanuts by size and quality. Only the best make it into the bar. Next, the peanuts go into giant roasting drums. Hot air swirls around, heating them to about 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. This brings out the rich, nutty flavor. After roasting, the peanuts are tumbled with a little salt while they are still warm. The salt sticks to the surface and gives the bar its famous salty crunch. Peanuts must cool down before they go into the candy. Fast coolers blow cold air on them, making sure they don't get soggy. Any broken or burnt peanuts are removed by machines with special cameras and sensors. Now the peanuts are ready for the next step. They will soon be placed on top of sticky caramel, waiting for their chocolate bath. Nougat is the first layer in a Snickers bar. It's made by mixing sugar, corn syrup, and egg whites in these tall, shiny mixers. The mixture is heated to around 115 degrees Celsius, or 240 degrees Fahrenheit, which makes it thick and stretchy. Once it's heated, the nougat is whipped really fast. This adds air, making it fluffy and light. Sometimes, just a little milk powder and cocoa are added for extra flavor. The nougat gets poured out onto a moving belt, where it cools and sets. Then, it's cut into long strips by sharp spinning blades. These strips will be the base of each Snickers bar. Workers and machines check the strips for size and shape to make sure every bar is perfect. Nougat gives a Snickers its chewy bite. It holds everything together and adds a gentle sweetness that balances the other flavors. Caramel is the golden glue in the middle of a Snickers bar. To make it, sugar and corn syrup are cooked in big pots called kettles. The mixture is heated to about 150 degrees Celsius, or 302 degrees Fahrenheit. This makes the sugar melt and turn into a rich golden syrup. Next, cream and butter are mixed in. This cools the caramel and makes it thick and smooth. The caramel is poured onto a moving belt, right on top of the nougat strips. The belt moves slowly, giving the caramel time to cool and firm up. As the caramel cools, it gets sticky and stretchy. It's now ready to hold the roasted peanuts. The factory controls the temperature carefully so the caramel doesn't get too hard or too runny. Perfect caramel is soft but not sticky, sweet but not too rich. It's the bridge between chewy nougat and crunchy peanuts. Now it's time to build the Snickers bar. On a long conveyor belt, the nougat strips are laid out first. Next, a machine spreads warm caramel evenly over each strip. The caramel acts like glue for the next layer, roasted peanuts. A machine sprinkles the peanuts over the sticky caramel. Workers and sensors watch to make sure every inch is covered. The layers move down the belt and pass under cool air fans. This cools the caramel and keeps the peanuts in place. Once the layers are cool and firm, the whole sheet is cut into long bars. Blades slice down the middle, then across, making perfect rectangles. Each bar is checked for size, shape, and weight. Now they are ready for their final coat of chocolate. The bars are almost complete, just one more step to go. The fresh bars ride another conveyor belt to the chocolate enrober. Here, a waterfall of warm milk chocolate pours over each bar, coating it on all sides. A vibrating table shakes off extra chocolate, making sure each bar is smooth and even. After coating, a special tool makes the famous Snickers swirl on top. It's a thin wire or small comb that drags over the soft chocolate. This swirl is the bar's signature look, like a chef's signature on a dish. The bars now move through a long, cold tunnel called a cooling tunnel. Inside, cold air brings the chocolate down to about 10 degrees Celsius, or 50 degrees Fahrenheit, making it hard and shiny. This step locks in the flavor and keeps the bars from sticking together. When they come out, the bars look just like the ones you see in the store, neat, shiny, and ready to eat. The cooled bars are almost ready for the world. Next, robots and machines gently pick up each Snickers and wrap it in colorful foil and plastic. The wrappers keep the bars fresh and clean. They are sealed tight, so the chocolate stays soft and the peanuts stay crunchy. Every bar is checked one last time by sensors and workers. Broken or odd-shaped bars are taken out. Only the best make it to the final packing area. Here, machines count and group the bars into boxes. The boxes are stacked on pallets and loaded onto trucks. From there, they head to stores all over the country, and even around the world. In just a few days, a fresh Snickers bar could travel from the factory to your local store shelf. Now you know how America's favorite candy bar is made, from sweet start to tasty finish.